It is 1:26 a.m. and I did not trade anything. I didn't make anything. I didn't lose anything. And as you can see, the balance is zero. And if I show all my trades, just to be super transparent, my last trade was on the 8th. And it is a 10th now because it is in the morning, early in the morning. But yeah, there's no trades for the 9th. But there were setups. I just did not take them because of the fact that I was really jaded because I traded AZUL twice yesterday for that breakout above 705 and it didn't do anything that day. And as you can see, this was a day that I traded it right here. And then this day it really worked. It actually did a multi-day breakout and it made a nice move from the sevens as high as the $8 price range and a few voice cracks, I guess. Very impressive move. I was watching it and I hesitated on the setup right here for a bull flag. I hesitated also right here. I considered shorting it and I had a chance to short this being like the head of the head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, right here, the head. And this one really worked out and I liked how it dropped to VWAP and this would have been profitable. I was actually thinking of shorting 100 shares and this would have been super nice. So yeah, I'm pretty upset that I did try it here and it threw me off because, I've been having this streak of just L's, just a bunch of setups that don't work out. And then, it did work out finally and I didn't trade anything. So that's pretty frustrating. I am considering maybe taking the whole next week off and just not trading at all and just doing other stuff like my business and all of that. And then maybe have like that mental break so that maybe I can be in the right habits and yeah, be able to trade the setups that work and then not trade the setups that don't work. I think that can help me greatly. That's it for today. Very nice move with AZUL. Just really sucks that, it didn't do anything when I traded it the other day and then it did it super nicely here, but that's totally fine. I just gotta lay off the complaining and not take things so personally and really just take any setup that looks good so that if it doesn't work, too bad, I learn from it. And if it works, that's great. And I do have a winning percentage over 50%. So that helps me be profitable over a longer period of time. That's it for this. I'm not going to say that's it for today because, it is the next day, but that is for the 9th of March.